Ready to go from agile aspirations to agile action? If you've ever felt like your team's workflow is more of a tangled web than a streamlined process, you're not alone. The good news? The solution might be simpler than you think. Today, we're diving into how to use Trello to manage your agile workflows, making collaboration a breeze and boosting your team's productivity. Why Trello is a great fit for agile. First off, why Trello? At its core, Trello is a visual collaboration tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize projects. This structure is a natural fit for agile methodologies like Scrum or Kanban, which rely on a clear visual representation of work in progress. It's easy to see what needs to be done, who's working on what, and what's been completed. Think of it as your digital whiteboard, but with superpowers. Setting up your agile Trello board. Let's get practical. The basic Trello setup for an agile workflow is incredibly straightforward. Create your lists. Start by creating a few key lists on your board. The most common setup follows a flow. Backlog. This is where all your ideas, user stories, and tasks live. It's your product's wish list. To do. These are the tasks your team has committed to working on during the current sprint. In progress. This is for the cards that are actively being worked on. Review/testing. Once a task is done, it moves here for review or quality assurance. Done, the ultimate list. When a task is completed and approved, it gets moved here. You can customize these lists to fit your specific needs, but this simple structure provides a solid foundation. Add your cards. Each task, user story, or bug is a card. Within a card, you can add all the necessary details. Be sure to use features like descriptions. Add a clear, concise description of the task. Checklists. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Due dates. Set a deadline for when the task should be completed. Labels. Use color-coded labels to categorize cards by priority, team member, or type of work. Attachments. Link relevant documents or mockups. Working with Trello in an agile way. Now that your board is set up, here's how to use it in practice. For a Scrum team, at the start of a sprint, your team moves cards from the backlog to the to-do list. During your daily stand-ups, everyone can quickly see the board and give updates. As a team member begins working on a task, they move the card to in progress. When it's finished, it goes to review and finally to done. This simple act of moving cards provides a powerful visual of your sprint progress. For a Kanban team, Kanban focuses on limiting work in progress. You can use Trello to enforce this by using card limits on your in-progress list. When a team member finishes a task, they move the card to the next list, which signals that they are ready to pull a new task from the to-do list. This continuous flow helps identify bottlenecks and keeps the team focused on finishing work. The beauty of Trello is its flexibility. You can add power-ups like Scrum for Trello, which allows you to assign story points and track velocity, or integrate it with other tools your team already uses. By visualizing your workflow and making progress transparent, Trello transforms the abstract idea of Agile into a tangible, easy-to-manage reality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.